XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. We have been looking for buy, and this is what we get. And since the price was here, exactly within this move at this top, we mentioned if he wants to look for buy, we have to wait for the correction. Anyway, the way is correct. This is very corrective. I mean, the way is moving doesn't give us really a good opportunity to look for buy. And as you can see, the price dropped quite sharp. This is what we can see for most of the chart. And at this point, we have to wait. We are not going to simply jump in either for buy or sell. All right. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. If we move to daily chart, we have been looking for this daily correction. And we mentioned we need to see the breakout of 1.23 following by 1.4. This is what we're looking for. And if we move to forward chart, based on forward chart, we have been looking for the reversal. This is what we get. And we have been looking for this correction. And right now we're looking for this correction. We're looking to see the breakout of 1.18 following by 1.23. And rates based on forward chart with the breakout of 1.23 as a short term, we're looking for 1.28 following by 1.35. And then the next one is 1.4. This is what 1.4 is based on higher time frame. These levels we just add based on lower time frame. This is not the targets. This is where we try to manage or trades. If we get any opportunity for buy, then we want to see how high it can go and where we can expect to see the correction. All right. Anyway, if we see that right now we're looking at this correction, if we see any continuation, this is the levels we're looking for. And if I remove everything, one thing I need to highlight, how about can we put this one in relative to this? How about if this one turned to flat? Because what we see right now is a flat in relative to this. And we have a possibility for price to retest 1.05, the previous low, which is this one. All right. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy from here, they need to be really careful. I don't want to see the price is going to drop. And even I'm not really interested to look for sell. I'm looking for buy. But at the same time, we need to be quite careful about this possibility. And the reason is if he wants to look for any trade, that's mean if he wants to look for buy, we have to wait for the trade setup, proper trade setup. And even if you get any trade, if he is not moving our direction, we are not going to keep the trade. And from what I can see right now, the price is dropping quite sharp. That's why the possibility of this one turn to flat as a 1, 2, 3 is very high, but we are not looking for sell. What I'm looking for this correction at this point. If I see any reversal as a sharp move flag, either based on 1 hour or 15 minutes, I will take it. And I'm looking to see the breakout of 1.18 following by 1.23. All right. And if the price continue to drop, I just let it go. And for those traders, they get the trade within this one. If they haven't taken the trade in the profit, either move their stop loss to break even or take out the trade. All right. Anyway, at this point, we just let it go. We don't do anything. So we wait. And after a few hours, then we make a decision. If we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. If we see the price is going to drop, we are not going to look for sell. Even for me, the only times you can look for sell if this one tend to flag, and this is where we can look for sell. But we are not looking for sell. We're looking for the buy. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.